Hi kids, welcome you all to the video lesson today. In last video session, we have learned addition properties and two-digit addition in expanded form. Today, we are going to learn addition of three-digit numbers. Now, let us see adding three-digit numbers without regrouping. So, whenever we are adding three-digit number, first, we have to add the ones place, ones column, then the tens column, then hundreds column, so respectively. Look at the picture. Example has been given. Add 456 and 231. So we have to find the addition value of numbers 456 and 231. So while we have written this number in row and column wise, first, what we have to do? We have to add the ones place. What are the values in ones place? It is 6 and 1. So 6 plus 1, yes, 7 is the answer. Then what we have to do? We have to add the tens place. What are the values in tens place? It is 5 and 3. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Here the answer is 18. So we have to write 8 in tens place. Then what we have, the third step is we have to add the hundreds place. What are the values in hundreds place? 4 and 2. 4 plus 2, it is 600. So we have to write here 6. So the answer is 456 plus 232 is equal to 687. Now let's see adding three digits number with regrouping. The question is we have to add 758 and 531. So first what we have to do? We have to add the ones place. So 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So we have to write here ones. In ones column we have to write the sum value, that is 9 1. So we have to write 1 here. Next what we have to do? We have to add the tens place. What are the values in tens place, children? It is 5 and 3. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8 tens. 8 we have to write here. Next we have to add the hundreds place. So what are the values there? 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 we cannot write here. So 2 only we have to write in 2's place. Then remaining 1 has to be carry forward to thousands place and we have to write here. So the answer is 1289. Let's see another example for regroup with regrouping addition. So the sum is, the question is that add 236 and 147, it is written here. First what we have to do? We have to add the ones place. What are the values in ones place, children? It is 6 and 7. While we are adding 6 plus 7, what will be the answer? It is, yes, 1 3 13. While we are expanding 13, what is the result, children? It is 10 plus 3. So in 13, 1 10 and 3 ones are there. So we have to write here 3 ones and we have to carry over the 110 here. Then now we have to add all these three numbers. That is 1 plus 3 plus 4. What is the answer? Yes, see here it is 8. 8 we have to write here. So tens place we added here. Next what we have to do? We have to add the hundreds place. It is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. The answer is, it is 383. Now we are going to add three-digit numbers. The question is find the sum of 112, 435 and 699. So we have written here all the numbers here with thousands, hundreds, tens and ones column. So while we are at first, what we have to do? We have to add the ones place values. What are the ones place values here? 2, 5 and 9. So 2 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 16. So what we have to do? Then we have to expand the 16. 16 is expanded to 110 and 6 ones. So what we have to do here? Here we have to write 6 ones in ones column. Then this 110 has to be carried forward to tens place. Next what we have to do? Ones place we found out the sum. Then we have to add the tens place value. So what are the values in tens place? It is 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 9. What is the total value? It is 1414. In 14, 4 has to be written here in tens place and 1 has to be carried forward to hundreds place. Now we have to add hundreds column. So 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 equal to 12. 12 we have to write, 2 we have to write in hundreds place and 1 we have to write in thousands place. The answer is 1246. Let's see the sums in exercise 2.2. The first sum, we have to add the numbers 268 plus 425. First, what we have to do? We have to add the ones place value. Ones place value is, it is 8 and 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. In 13, 1, 10 and 3 ones are there. So we have to write 3 ones here. That 110 is carry forward to tens place. So 1 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 we have to write in tens column. Then we have to add the values in hundreds column. It is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. So the answer is 693. The second one, we have to find the sum of 348 and 639. So first what we have to do? We have to add the values in ones place. It is 8 and 9. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So 7 we have to write in ones place and the 1 we have to carry over to the tens place. So 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 8. So next what we have to do? We have to add the values in hundreds place. It is 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So the answer is 987. Next one, 898 plus 528. So first what we have to do? We have to add the ones place value. It is 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Yes. In 16, 110 and 6 ones are there. So that 6 1 has to be written in ones column and that 110 has to be carried over to the tens place. So 1 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 12. In 12, how many tens are there? 2 tens and 1 hundreds are there. So 2 10 has to be written in tens place and that 100 has to be carried over to the hundreds place. Now we have to add hundreds column values. So 1 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14, in 14, 400s are there and 1000s are there. So we have to write 4 in hundreds place and 1 in thousands place. So the answer is 1426. Next sum, add 368 plus 668. First 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So 6 we have to write here and 1 has to be carried over to tens place. So 1 plus 6 equal to 13. 13. In 13, 3 has to return here. 1 has to carry over to hundreds place. So 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 10. So the answer is 1036. Now find the value of three digit number. Sum of three digit number. First value is 212 plus 324 plus 153. So first what we have to do? We have to add the ones place value. So 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9. So 9 we have to return here. Then we have to add the hundreds place value. It is 1 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 8. Now we have to add the hundreds place value. It is 2 plus 3 plus 1. equal to 6. So the answer is 689. Here look at the next sum. It is 749 plus 116 plus 135. So first what we have to do? We have to add the values in ones place. It is 9 plus 6 plus 5. What is the total value? It is, yes, 20. So in 20, how many tens are there? 2 tens and any ones values there? No, we don't have ones value. So 0 has to be written here and the 2 tens has to be carried over to tens place. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is, it is 10. So in 10, 0 has to be written here and 1 has to be carried over to hundreds place. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 we have to write here. So the answer is 1000. Second one, it is write in columns and find the sum. So the question is find the sum of 172 plus 721. So while we are writing in column wise, we have to write like this. First what we have to do? We have to add the ones place. It is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Yes. 7 plus 2 it is 9. 1 plus 7 it is 8. So the answer is 172 plus 721 is equal to 893. The second one, it is 567 plus 765. So it has written in column wise and we have to add first ones place. It is 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 12, 2 we have to write here that 110 has to be carried over to tens place. So 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 6 equal to 13. In 13, 3 we have to write here and that 1 has to be carried over to hundreds place. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So 3 and then 1 has to be written in thousands place. So the answer is 1332. Next sum it is 386 plus 862. So it has written like this in column wise. So 6 plus 2 is equal to the ones place value. Answer is it is 8. Then 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. In 14, 4 we have to write in tens place and 1 has to be carried over to thousands place. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 12, 2 we have to write here and then 1 in thousands place. So the answer is 1248. Next sum, it is 666 plus 348 plus 314. So we have written like this in column wise. So first what we have to do? We have to add the ones place value. It is 6 plus 8 equal to 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. 18. 8 we have to write here that 110 has to be carried over to tens place. So 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. 11 plus 1 equal to 12. 12. In 12, 2 we have to write here and 1 has to be carried over to hundreds place. Now add these values in hundreds place. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to, yes, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 3 we have to written in hundreds place. 1 we have to write in thousands place. So the answer is 1328. Another one, 286 plus 619 plus 412. It has written like this in column wise. So first we have to add the ones place value. So 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. 7 has to write here. 1 has to be, 110 has to be carried over to tens place. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 10 plus 1, 11. In 11, we have to write 1 here and 1 has to be carried over to hundreds place. So 2 plus 1, it is 3. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. 9 plus 4, it is 13. So 3 in hundreds place and 1 in thousands place. The answer is 1317. Based on the sum, the following homework has been given. Do it, children. Thank you for watching the video. See you on next video.